In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a withdrawal address on Binance. Whether you're using the Binance website or the mobile app, this process is pretty straightforward, although the steps may vary slightly based on your country and platform choice. So, let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Binance account. Depending on what you prefer, you can do this either through the Binance website or their mobile app. Whichever option you choose, make sure all your login credentials are ready and at hand to ensure a smooth entry. Binance is known for its robust security measures, so you might need to complete two-factor authentication before accessing your account. Once you're logged in, your next step is to navigate to the Settings section and look for Withdrawal or Withdrawal Settings. Now, if you're on the mobile app, you might find these options listed under Security, or you might need to go through Wallet, Withdraw, or even Address Book. The terminology could vary slightly, but the aim here is to locate the Withdrawal Address Management section. When you've found your way to what might be called Address Management, Withdrawal Address Book, or simply Address Book, you'll have access to the list of all the addresses you've previously saved or whitelisted. Here, you want to identify the specific address you wish to remove. It's important to be attentive during this part, ensuring you choose the correct address, as this change is generally irreversible for security reasons. Next to the address you want to delete, you should see a menu or button that could be displayed as three dots, labeled More, or something similar. Tap or click on this icon. It will bring up a variety of options related to that particular address. In the options, you'll likely find something along the lines of Remove from Whitelist, Delete, or Remove Address. Go ahead and select that option to proceed with the removal. Finally, you'll need to confirm the removal. For security purposes, Binance will likely prompt you to verify this request. They might ask you to complete a two-factor authentication step again, or even confirm through an email or SMS verification. This step is crucial as it adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring that no unauthorized alterations can take place without your explicit consent. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, you will have successfully removed the withdrawal address from your Binance account. This process maintains your account's security and ensures you have complete control over where your funds can be withdrawn. Remember to always handle your sensitive information like security keys with care and never share them unnecessarily. Thanks for watching, and until next time, trade wisely and stay safe.